Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in the video, I'll explain what the Google Drive app is and show you how to use. Let's get started. Google Drive is a cloud storage app by Google. It lets you save files like photos, video, documents and more online instead of just on your device. This way you can access them anytime from any device as long as you're signed in with your Google account. It makes it super easy to share files and collaborate with others. Now to get started, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, search Google Drive on the search bar at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that and install your app. Once installed, open up your app and sign in with your Google account. Then you'll see your Drive home screen with all your stored files. To upload files, tap the plus icon right here at the bottom of the page. Tap on that, then choose Upload File right here. Then select a photo, video or file from your phone. The file will upload to Drive and sync across all your devices. To create new files and folders, again tap the same plus icon, then choose folder to organize your files. You can also create Google Docs, Sheets or Slides directly from the app. Everything is saved automatically in real time. Now to share file, tap on the three dots right here, tap on the three dots and tap on share right here. Then enter the person's email address or copy the link to permissions, viewer, commenter or editor. Then tap send and now they can access your file. Use the search bar to quickly find files right here at the top of your page. Here's the search icon, search bar. So tap the star icon to mark important files. Access files offline by enabling available offline. Use the recent tab to reopen the last files you worked on. Use Google Photos alongside Drive to manage pictures and videos. Files organized with folders and clear naming. Take advantage of the 15 GB free storage or upgrade with Google One for one more space. And that is how you can use the Google Drive app step by step. It is perfect for keeping your files safe and accessible anywhere. I hope this video helped you out guys. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.